Hey everybody, this is Taylor with GammaEdge coming at you with a quick market status for Tuesday, December 6th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read. When you've done so, let's move on. Here we have the tick US model. Coming into the session, we were full steam ahead. However, quickly off the open, we saw we're getting a linear down day from the cumulative tick. This progressed throughout the session. Cumulative tick ultimately ended well below moving average ribbon, fully resetting it here. The longer term moving average itself is still inverted. This should have kind of been not necessarily a warning sign, but a caution sign saying, hey, we're seeing an improvement on the short term. Longer term, though, we still have some structural issues trying to work through. Again, like we've seen the last couple of times we've gotten this signal, again, full reversal. So here we are from here looking to see if we get some continuation further down, chop sideways, or if we make another rally attempt. Filter tick, linear down day supporting the movement down. One thing I will note is looking back, while the cumulative tick was moving higher, we weren't seeing a ton of participation via the filter tick. So again, it's something to be mindful of going forward. Here with the tick ARCX model, you'll see all short-term signals are turned off. Longer-term signal is still turned on. However, you can see it's kind of trending lower. So long as this cumulative tick remains below the longer term moving average ribbon, this will eventually start to invert again. So again, not very constructive on this model. Here we have our SPY Gamma dashboards from this morning. We have the full complex here on the left. We have this week's expiration here on the right. You'll see price opened up, meandered up to 405. A little bit of significant level here on the full complex. Traded down to 399, 398, eventually settling right at 400. You can see this is a large liquidity zone, both on the full complex and this week's expiration. From here, 400 is a very important line in the sand, so to speak. Above 400, looking to 405, 410. Below 400, looking down to 395 and 390. Here we have our SPY daily chart. Here just have some liquidity levels drawn in, just some, channels and whatnot. If you TA folk there as well, you can see again, price came up right to this significant TA level failure. Really nothing catastrophic here for the bulls right now. Still a series of higher highs and higher lows. However, below what is this level? 385-ish. Things start to get more dicey for the bulls here. Here we're zooming in on the hourly chart. Not a ton else to say. Here you can see 400, this line right here, significance of it, a lot of price interaction. We did fail there today. We're under it right now. Potential, one scenario is a retest and collapse below, back down to this liquidity zone down here, or we could consolidate underneath and shoot higher towards 410. So again, if then statements, and we are at a good crossroads level at 400. Again, just zooming in a little bit, we got the 5-minute chart. You can see here kind of a choppy consolidation higher, bear flag maybe, who knows. Just something to keep note. What we do know is 400 is a significant level. Lastly, 2-minute chart with our gamma levels overlaid. Again, these are automated in our server for TradingView and Thinkorswim. See here we got 400 here, large liquidity level. We have negative trends here, right where price is at. COTMP below, 0 GEX above. So again, we have well-defined levels that we can trade against. Keep in mind, this is the latest script from this morning. It'll be important to get the first run tomorrow morning. That'll be updated for all levels. Lastly, again, like we've been doing, couple trade examples here. Going to go through a loser first. I know, shocker. We do lose trades and win trades. So here is a loser. Trade idea was against 0 GEX, looking for a push down to COTMP. Again, ultimately was stopped out of it. It was the right idea up at near 0 GEX. We didn't quite get up there. So kind of a note for me is to be more patient. However, I did capture this. I got stopped out. Where did I get stopped out? Yeah, I don't know. I think I got stopped out in this region up here. Again, you can see I wasn't patient enough. However, I waited till we got back up again and did interact with the level. Then we got this collapse down to COTMP. So small loser, large winner, net net. Very, very constructive trade. This is just one of the many ways that you can use our levels. So hope you all found this video helpful. If you all want to learn more about us, GammaEdge.us, where you can find us. Click on the pricing page. Tells you about the different tiers we offer and whatnot. So with that, wish you all a good rest of your night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.